To solve this absolute value equation, I'm going to write the inside down twice. And I'm going to set one of them equal to what it was originally equal to, and then the other, I'm going to make that number negative. And that gets rid of the absolute value. Now I just got to solve both of these equations. And for the first one, I get 4 equals a fourth x. To get this x by itself, I need to get rid of the 1/4 really. I can multiply by 4, and that will get my x by itself. But what you do to one side, you must do to the other. So I get 16 right there. And then if I subtract 4 from this side, I still multiply both sides by 4. And this time I get x equals negative 48. Now with absolute value, you do always want to take these x's and plug them in to the equation to make sure that your statement is true. But these answers both work. They both will make a true statement.